Welcome to my channel. Now I'm still in the secret zoo Batu Malang and I will show you how to make a mask. Do you like it? So now let's get started. The materials are three kinds of fabric. We need cotton, satin and tulle. Also scissors, thread and needle, straight pin, safety pin, elastic, paper, pen and ruler. The first step, we make a pattern. And you take 6 centimeters here. Yeah. You put the center, and from the center you need 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, and then from here from the center you need also 14 centimeter. Then you connect this point to this point. Also this point from this point. Then from here you take 12, this one 12, okay, and from here to here you take 11, and then you connect this point with the center. After you have connection with the line, you make line like this from the center to here, also from here to here, curve, and this one to this one, also this one. After you make this pattern and you cut this pattern, you cut here, cut here and here, like this, and you copy this pattern on the fabric, three kinds of fabric. Each fabric you cut twice. Okay. You put together this one. This is the good side, face with the good side, and skewer with a straight pin and you start sewing from here to here. Okay, and the tulle with the satin fabric you put together. Yeah. Secure with a straight pin. And start sewing from here, keep sewing to here. And you can see satin with tulle. Also, this is a cotton. Okay. And this is a good side. Also face the good side. Secure. Okay. Give the space 5 centimeter and start sewing from here. Keep sewing around the mask to here. So the 5 centimeter do not sew. After you have sewn, you turn the fabric inside out and like this, and start sewing again to cover this one. Start sewing from here, keep sewing to here. Also from here, keep sewing to here. And now you prepare. This is for tie. You need the length of 35 centimeter and the weight of 4 centimeter. You need two, and then you fold. And start sewing from here to here, and then like this. You need a safety pin for turn the fabric inside out. This is a safety pin, and you put here and you insert through the fabric and this one. Okay, you need two, and you prepare the elastic, the length of 15 centimeter. Also you need two. Give the safety pin and you insert. like this. Okay. After this, you insert this one and start sewing from here to here. Repeat the same process the other side with the other side, and you have this one. Okay, now you prepare for the flower. You make the flower, but you can see the how to make the flower from my previous video, and you need a satin fabric. It's about 40 centimeter the length, and this is the flower. Put the flower here. You arrange the flower like this, and you take a needle and thread, and you start sewing like this. And the fashion mask has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.